Can you hear that noise? Can you hear the noise in the background? The whirring noise? I don't know if the phone's picking it up. The camera, the phone. It's the oven. We're cooking. We got these from Birdseye, new Mexican Nacho Crumb. It's chicken, basically. Chicken fillets in breadcrumbs with a Nacho Crumb. Mexican spiced. It says 100% chicken breast using a few simple ingredients. Oh, that's all it says. Mexican Nacho Crumb. It's basically going to be Doritos wrapped around a bit of chicken. Frozen for your convenience. Cooked in the oven for 25 minutes. 25 minutes in the oven. We'll put these in. We'll take them out. We'll eat them and we'll taste them and we'll review them. I've got to find a baking tray. So this is what they look like out of the tin. You can see all that crumb. And again, it smells lush. Not too big. I can't see how that's going to take 25 minutes, probably because it's frozen. The oven should be warm enough now. Let's get them in and see what they're like. Look at them. Cooked, red hot, out the oven. Smells delicious. Marvellous. Oh, a dessert. Oh, a side dish. I wonder if we'll review them. Have you seen that video yet? Or that one? Let's have a taste. So here's the inside. It looks a bit dry. Let's see what it tastes like. I cut it out into smaller pieces. It's just come out of the oven, so it's going to be hot. And it is that lovely Mexican smell. It's dry. It needs... What do you have? It is dry. I mean, I know that looks really moist and all that. I haven't overcooked it. I've done it on a slightly lower temperature for a slightly more time. It says 25 minutes at 180. I think I've done 170 for half an hour. It needs a bit of something. Probably like a spicy sauce or some... It needs some sort of sauce. It's pleasant enough. It's alright, it's just a bit dry. Subscribe to Adam and Val for more cooking and eating and tasting and sampling.